Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Ang ating putahe for today is a favorite native kakanin called Kutsinta or steamed rice pudding. It is best described as soft, chewy, and sticky with jelly-like texture. It is made from cassava and glutinous rice flour, lye water, and enhanced with brown sugar and annatto for color. Kutsinta is best served with grated coconut on top. So, umpisa na natin ang kutsinta ni Grandpa D. Simple lang to. Kaya natin yan. Ito ang ating mga ingredients. We start by combining mochico or glutinous rice flour with cassava flour. Then we add brown sugar and annatto powder. We whisk them together until they are well blended. Then we add warm water and mix them thoroughly until well incorporated. Then we add lye water for that jelly-like texture. Next, drops of pandan extract for added flavor and aroma. Vanilla for richer flavor. Optional condensed milk to enhance the taste. Mix thoroughly until well blended and smooth. Strain mixture to prevent lumps. Pour mixture into the greased molds. Leave space to the top to avoid overflow. Steam for about 25 minutes at medium heat. Kutsinta is done when color turns darker. Ayan, luto na ang kutsinta ni Grandpa D. Gutom na ba kayo? Tikman na natin. Kainan na! Don't forget the grated coconut. It's a must. Essential yan, kumbaga. Gaano kasarap yan, makunat at malinamnam. Isa pa nga, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.